Everyone, hope you are doing really good. Today's topic is counseling. People tend to fall up for the need of the counseling because sometimes they fail because of due reason. Failure leads to counseling so that you can take help from outside sources. Experts can help you through it. But do you really need tablets for that? Counseling is basically who understands you. It does not need the need of only doctor. It can be your friends who understand you. So only be around the people who believes you. Everything is here in the brain. The brain is the real doctor. You have to treat yourself by doing those things which makes you happy, and by keeping yourself happy and giving a fuck to the world who spoil and stop your life. And most important, a clear no to the medicines. They give you medicines so that you can forget that particular incident has happened to you, or something which is bothering you, or something which you cannot get over. That is okay if whatever they are saying is fine, but you should not totally depend on that. You should cut down the mgs by the meditation or something which you like to do, but keeping yourself positive and focused. Meditation and happiness is very good, but medicines is very harmful because it slow down your brain process. You cannot connect the dot. You don't remember things. It slow down your memory. And if you are not keeping yourself positive and get into the depth of those medicines and get dependable on that, it simply increase with time, and you will be trapped more and more into it. Those medicines, they are seriously not good for your health. It should be a clear no for that. It's a kind of dark hole where you just get deep and more deep by your choice, and not happy to go by that. It makes you sleep, you lose your memory, you are not able to express yourself properly, you're not able to read things properly, you're not able to analyze things properly, you are not by yourself, you don't know your potential, you will use your confidence, people take advantage of your potential, people will tell you how to do, what to do, and when to do. You are just dependable on people instruction. Even for a mere normal sleep, you will be dependent on those top tablets. So they are in short not good. Just do as much meditation you can and just fuck those medicines which are controlling you. Your brain is the only thing which control you. Please love your brain, love your body, love your ideas, love yourself, and allow your brain to control you and nobody else. No fucking body else. Nobody has that much right to control you. God is there, your parents are there, and that is totally enough. Nothing more than that. Appreciate what you got and love that. Enhance that, because that is why you're on earth and no other reason. Please appreciate that and get back on track, because life is to just live and not to be spoiled by the people who don't want you to live, or by any karma which you are carrying and that is coming forward and you are forgetting to live. So just don't stress yourself by the people or by the time which is stressing you right now. Live and give back to life. Stress those who are trying to stress you, not by stressing yourself. Be a fighter, man. Be your parents' daughter or son, because just remember how much pain your parents have gone through. Just remember how much pain your mother has gone through while she was delivering you. Just remember all those sacrifices they have done to see you happy, because there are people who want to see you happy. There are people who sacrifice for you. There are people who loves you. So just live for the people who love you. Just live for the people who love to see you happy, not for the people who stress you. There are more things, being happy and meditation. Meditation is just not like doing like you are listening some om chanting, or you're doing walking or something. If you are a very hyperactive brain, so you need a very hyperactive frequency of meditation. You can start it from 10 minutes, 20 minutes, then prolong 1 hour meditation, which it has to go on. And between 35 to 40 minutes, you could feel that there is a, sensation over here, and you could feel that there's a peace of mind is coming to you, and your mind is coming into your control. So your focus should be in your control. It has to be a high frequency of tratak, which you need. Another way is, there are a lot of people who keep things among themselves, or they are among people who it's all about me kind of attitude those people have, and they don't understand you. It's all about them all the time. So with them, you have to avoid such kind of people. You have to be with those people who understands you. You have a chemistry that you don't have to be force them to understand you. It's just go without saying. Then when you are with them, things won't accumulate inside you, and you are expressive to the point at the right time, and your confidence remain with you. So it has to be a right choice of people among you, a right kind of people with you, intellectual people who hold a right level of maturity, and with less word they can understand the entire story happening around you. Stop watching depressing movies. Watch inspirational movies and inspirational videos. People you love listening to, people who don't speak shit, people who don't talk about loneliness, people who are not depressing and have bad jokes kind of thing. People are just not for the sake of thing you are doing. Whatever you are doing does possess some quality stuff, and it should hold any meaning, and most important, humor. If you don't know how to have a good humor, you're an asshole. Sorry, but you should not be among those people. One of the reason is loneliness. So just to get over with your loneliness, you walk around with anybody just like that. You don't have to. Loneliness is much better than just roaming around with stupid and fucked up people around. So you don't have to go around with anybody just for the sake of having a company, friends of friends, like partying for no reason, boozing and smoking for no reason, just to, make your mind slow. You don't have to. There are many much better things which you can do. Try to focus yourself in good things, productive things, which could make you happy in real. That makes sense. Loneliness does not mean that you have to stop living with people you love and avoiding those people, especially your family, your close friend, especially those friends who have some sense. The happy people around, be with them. Have a good company around. Very, very important thing. And it's not very shy to seek help from the people who understands you, because they are your people. So they are not your enemy, they are your people. They will stand by you in worse. And by just because some people who were your own people has ditched you or could not understand you or backstab you or has done something wrong to you, if they are weak and they are assholes, they have tend to do something they were not supposed to, and they hurt you badly, and that bruise you off and bleed you off badly from inside and break you off, does not mean everybody is like that. There are good people too, and you have to keep believing in people, keep giving them chances, because great people does exist. Sometimes we're just not able to see that they are around, but they are always around, just a step away. You have to push yourself to be with those people, and you have to keep yourself open so that they get space to come into your life and get you out of all the negativity which you are holding. So allow yourself to be happy. Another way is write. It is not necessary that you are a good writer. It is just not necessary that you have a lot of followers. You have to get things out of your system. You have to be positive. You have to take things out. You need people to hear you out. It can be anybody who understands you. You don't have to bother about it. You just have to go with the flow. You have to be in the rhythm. You can make video, you can chit chat with people, but make right choices. There are good friends too. You just have to believe in always. You have to understand that they can take it. They can take it all. They can handle you. They can handle your pain. They can convert it into positive. They are the good supporters, and you're just not bothering them. But being with you gives them happiness in all manner, because they are family. And at the end of the time, you're all faith up. Keep hoping. Believe in life. Stay positive. It's all in you. Follow your heart. Don't give a damn to people. So it's always there in you. Not in the people, not in whatever they say. It's always there. Keep your child laughing all the time. Keep it out all the time. It does not matter what you are speaking. Let the child out. Let it live. This is all you got, and this is for here you are. If you're not doing this, then what are you doing? Sad, depression, that's not life. Life is to live. And if you're not living this precious life, then what are you doing? Ask yourself. And live whatever you have. Live it if possible. I dare you, if you can live the best part of your life, live if possible. Take care and have a wonderful life ahead. Hope faith, positive, live to the highest if possible.